Hey everybody, in this one, remember in some of my past videos, these UpArmor wings were, getting weird on the Cummerbund and not wrapping around my body the way I wanted. So I'm going to tie them to my Cummerbund with this little bit of shot cord that I have. Now I got this shot cord. This is a piece that I salvaged off of the Haley Strategic single mag pouches with M2 inserts that well, you can see right here. I took them off of this and the other ones that I have, and that's where I got this. So if you can see it, there's some single holes that aren't slits, and that's what I'm going to be using. So I'm tying it closest to the Cummerbund, or the side attachment of the Cummerbund, and hopefully that'll leave it so it'll stretch enough. And I'm not tying it super tight, so that way it won't, it'll still be flexible enough to move. Got my handy dandy little tool here. I did one of these already. And then I go into this hole right here. And I come out the bottom slit, and then I put it back up through here next to this one. And then I just tie these ends off. Woo! Trying to get away from me. There you go. And then I just kind of rotate it until the knot was kind of out of the way. So that should give it enough movement to stay on. Let's see. Here's the little extra pieces from the shot cord from the mag release. So hold on to these in case I want to add retention to my mag pouches again. Let's see how it worked. Oh, I yard sailed all my stuff that was in my nerd pouch. All right, let's see how we did. That worked pretty good. Got them, keeping them kind of in there a little bit, tucked in. So the one drawback for this is that I can't just, I'll have to untie those to take the UpArmor out if that's what I want to do. Hope that helps.